Hi, I'm Alistair Somerville, and this is just a quick video about the Design for Dissent workshops, which are running from the 18th to the 22nd of May at 9 AM and 7 PM British Summer Time. Day one is introductions and also trying to introduce each other through our own stories of rebellion and dissent. Day two is an active listening workshop. It's about learning how to use active listening techniques to develop ways of being able to use dissent and divergence at work. It's going to be a tough workshop in terms of people are generally not well trained in listening, and so we'll be doing a lot of that. It's a practical workshop to develop a baseline skill to enable change. Day three is about talking about the context of dissent in terms of the actual workplaces and the organisations that participants are working in. Actually understanding how dissent is difficult in organisations that want to deliver products and to control staff. How do we actually talk about senior management, middle management and junior staff working together harmoniously, yet using dissent to create opportunity? Day four is using design thinking to have a 1 hour workshop working on the ideas of harmony and dissent developed in day three's workshop to consider how to use dissent effectively and create techniques that work for the contexts of the workplaces that each of the people in the workshop are working in. Day five is saying goodbye. It's wrapping the thing up and also just trying to work out how people can support each other in the future, how to use dissent harmoniously together. There are two main talks in the Design for Dissent workshop. Both of them are going to be available offline as video and audio files, so you can watch or listen to them whenever you want. The first one is on post-normal design. It's to actually lay out the problems of normal and the ideas that convergence and control and compliance that we see so much in work are actually major problems for organisations, and that we need diversity, divergence and dissent in order to be able to create successful future organisations. The second talk is on, more specifically, the problems in organisations, in recruitment and in design systems, talking about the actual contexts of organisations and the actual problems so that we can talk about it on day three, about how do we actually work successfully with dissent in organisations.